Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. The link is in the bio. I do have some treats there for you. Your word of the day is inner work. It's time to work on those characteristics that actually align with the life that you want. Do some character carving, anger, resentment, guilt, being cowardness, not having courage. These are things that you need to let go. Work on those things, because just because you're born with a weakness does not mean you have to maintain them and stay in love with them. We're all powerful beings where we can change our lives in a snap of the finger with our intention. God brings me to ideal situations for my inner healing. As I become aware of my weaknesses, I turn them into strengths. I direct my thoughts towards the light and see the positive side of every stage of my life. Darkness turns to courage. Thus, I am stronger. And as you become stronger and wiser, therefore, bigger blessings that you're actually asking for will come to you, because you can be trusted with it, because you're strong enough to maintain them. You've done the work. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.